everyone. We're back pretty much one other time for today. So the snow has, I think, pretty much stopped pretty much completely. And now we've just got pretty much just windy conditions here. Um uh yep, the snow has stopped and it's just windy conditions pretty much now. But I gotta tell you, in the second vlog and second video we did about at least a couple hours ago, it had really picked up, ever since we had done vlog and video number one from a little earlier. But now, I think it seems as if, as of right now, it's all done and moved out of the area. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully that's it till late fall. Hopefully that. Hopefully. Hope. 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 Hopefully. Hope. 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 Hopefully. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully that's it till late fall. There goes a pretty loud car. Man, listen to listen to that thing. Now, don't come to any conclusion how true this is. I gave my mom a buzz a little bit ago, about like little over an hour ago after first seeing this. But when I had went online, I had at first seen this, and I had seen that somebody currently on my Facebook friend list had posted this article stating New York State shutdown extended, extended to June 6th. But I gave my mom a buzz, and it doesn't really sound like it's really that true. It all kind of sounds as if the reality is that it sounds like it's still on for a week from yesterday. It all sounds like it's still on for a week from yesterday, next Friday the 15th of this month, the 15th of May. I guess we'll see how true all that stuff is in the next couple or next few days and coming days. Coming days, I guess.